Welcome, today we're going to show you how to install RBTV77 on your Firestick device. So if you want to install RBTV77 on your Fire TV, here's the steps to do that. First, you need to actually install the downloader app, so you can just go to your app store on your Firestick and install the downloader app. After that, you need to actually enable unknown sources for the downloader app. After you do that, now everything will be easier. So now all you need to do is to head for apps and channels, and now you need to click on start on the downloader app. So you need to just start the downloader app, and now you can just search for rbtv77.com on the search bar as you from here, or you can just write 218740. After that, you can hit on go, and now from here you need to click on this icon, the little TV icon as you from here, and the APK will start to download. After that, now you need to click on install. So wait for the app until it installs, but now don't click on open, click on done, because now you will have the opportunity to free some space on your smart TV or Fire Stick. So you can just click on delete for the installation file and hit on delete again. After that, now you can just enjoy using RBTV77 on your Fire Stick. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.